I explained how to solve the equation by trial and error method. Already you have learned in 6th class. Trial and error method. Now new method, second method. How do we solve the given equations without transposing the terms? How do we solve the equation without transposing the terms? Here page number 60, example 1. Solve the following equation, x plus 3 is equal to 7. Solve the following equation, x plus 3 is equal to 7. Now we have to solve by second method without transposing the term. Now here you see in the given equation, what is given equation? X plus 3 is equal to 7. What is in the left side? X plus 3, right side 7. Now here we are going to solve the equation. Solving the equation means we are going to find the value of variable unknown x. We are going to find the value of unknown number variable x. Now we have to keep only the variable x in the left hand side. This plus 3 we have to cancel in the left side. Now without transposing the term. So we have to keep the unknown variable x in the left side, plus 3 we have to cancel in the left hand side. Now how do we remove that plus 3? By adding minus 3 on both sides we can cancel. Now we have to remove plus 3 in the left side to solve the equation. So first you have to add minus 3 on both sides. So you have to write this, add minus 3 on both sides. We have to add both sides, left side and the right side, children. We have to add minus 3 on both sides. Now we are going to cancel plus 3 in the left hand side. So add minus 3 on both sides. So now next step we'll add minus 3 on both sides. So x plus 3 plus minus 3 right within the bracket. Right hand side 7 is there. 7 plus minus 3. Now plus 3 minus 3 0. Plus 3 minus 3 0. So you can cancel. So only left side what is there? The unknown variable x. Now 7 plus minus 3 plus 7 minus 3 plus 7 minus 3. You know in first chapter you learn positive, negative. Which is here more? Positive number. So plus. Now difference. When we add positive and negative we should subtract. So 7 minus 5 2. So what is here? Plus 7 minus 5 plus 2. So what is answer? 7 plus here. Now we are going to add plus 7 and minus 3. So here which is more? Positive number. So plus sign. Difference between 7 and 3 4 plus 4. So what is your answer? Plus 4. X is equal to 4. Here the value of variable x is 4. Now we have to check whether our answer is correct or not. So we have to do the verification. How do we do the verification? Listen children. Now we have to do the verification. How do we do verification? Now we are going to check whether our answer x is equal to 4 is correct or not. How do we check whether it is correct or not? Now when x is equal to 4, you substitute in the equation. What is equation? X plus 3 is equal to 7. Substitute in the given equation. When x is equal to 4, here in the place of x you have to substitute 4. If you want, we will write the equation again. X plus 3 is equal to 7. Now when x is equal to 4, now in the place of x you have to substitute 4. Now in the place of x substitute 4, 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. In the place of x substitute 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. Now left hand side what is here? 4 plus 3 is there. Left hand side 4 plus 3, what is answer? 7. Right hand side, what is right hand side children? 7. Here left side and right side both side our answer is 7. So our answer is correct children. Once again I will write here. Left hand side 4 plus 3, what is answer? 7. Right hand side also 7. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. Therefore x is equal to 4. Our answer is correct. It is the root of the equation. X is equal to 4 is the root of the equation. So x, the number 4 satisfies the given equation children. Now we will go to next problem. Example 2. Example 2. Page number 61. Example 2, what is equation? Y minus 7 is equal to 9. Y minus 7 is equal to 9. Now left hand side of the equation y minus 7, right hand side of the equation 9. What is on the left side? Y minus 7, right hand side 9. Now in the left hand side, variable, which is variable? Y is variable, y is unknown, y is variable in the left hand side. Now we are going to solve the equation. So when we are solving the equation, we are going to find the value of unknown variable y. We are going to find the value of y. How do we find value of y? Here first you have to remove left side minus 7. Minus 7 is there. Only variable should be there. The unknown variable y should be there in the left hand side. Remaining numbers we have to remove. Now we have to remove minus 7. It is there in the left side. Minus 7, how do we remove? By adding plus 7 on both sides. Now we are solving the equation by without transposing the term children. So now we are going to remove minus 7 in the left hand side. How do we remove? You have to add, to remove minus 7, add plus 7. Add plus 7 on both sides of the equation. Here what is on the left hand side? Y minus 7. Now we are going to add 7 is equal to 9 plus right hand side 9 is there. Now you add 7 plus 7. Y minus 7 plus 7 is equal to right hand side 9 is there, add plus 7, 9 plus 7. Now minus 7 plus 7, 0. So you can cancel. Minus 7 plus 7, 0. So you can cancel and write only y is there in the left hand side. Only y is here. 9 plus 7, 16. 9 plus 7, 16. Now we have to check whether our answer is correct or not. So we have to do verification. You have to do the verification. How do we do verification? You have to substitute in the equation children. Now when y is equal to 16, now substitute in the equation. If you want, you write the equation again. Now we are going to do verification. What is equation? Y minus 7 is equal to 9. Now you have to substitute in the place of y 16. When y is equal to 16, here you find left side answer and right side answer. Now in the place of y, you have to substitute 16. So in the place of y, substitute 16. 16 minus 7 is equal to 9. In the place of y, substitute 16 minus 7 is equal to 9. 16 minus 7, you know. What is left side answer? 16 minus 7? 9. Is equal to, what is right side? 9. So left hand side 9, right hand side value also 9. So our answer is correct. Therefore, y is equal to 16 is the root. Because when we substitute y is equal to 16, we get left side value is equal to right hand side. So y is equal to 16 is the root of the equation, children. Now example 3. Now example 3. It is in page number 62, children. Example 3. Solve. Solve 5x is equal to minus 30. 5x is equal to minus 30. Now left hand side what is there in the equation? 5x. Right hand side minus 30. Now how do we solve this equation, children? Here what is variable? Which is unknown here. X is here unknown, so it is variable. Now we are going to solve the equation. So now we are going to find, solving the equation means finding the value of variable x. Now how do we find value of x? Here 5x is in the left hand side. Now we have to remove 5. 5 here multiplying with x. 5x is 5 into x. 5x is 5 into x is equal to minus 30. Now we have to remove 5 in the left hand side. Only variable x you should keep in the left hand side. Remaining all numbers you have to remove. So you have to cancel. Then how do we cancel this 5? 5 is multiplying with x. So you have to divide by 5. 5 is multiplying with x. So you have to divide by 5 on both sides. Divide by 5 on both sides of the equation. Here 5 is multiplying with x, children. So 5x can be written as 5 into x divided by 5. So you can write in fraction form directly. Division fact can be written in the fraction form. 5x, 5 into x. Now we are going to divide by 5 on both sides. So directly you write in fraction form. Because division fact can be written in the fraction form. So 5 into x by 5 is equal to, right hand side what is there? Minus 30. So minus 30 divided by 5. So directly write in fraction form, divided by 5. Now here left hand side you see here in the numerator 5. 1 time 5 you can cancel. 1 5 is 5, 1 5 is 5. Here right hand side minus 30 by 5. 5 is common factor between numerator and denominator. 1 5 is 5. In 30 6 times. 6 5s are 30. So what is here? 5 here cancel in numerator and denominator. So only x is here left over. So write the variable x is equal to, here what is the numerator? Minus 6. Minus 6 by 1. Minus 6 by 1 is minus 6. Minus 6 by 1 is minus 6. So x is equal to minus 6. X is equal to minus 6. Now we have to verify whether our answer is correct or not. Now we will do the verification, children. The verification. The verification when x is equal to minus 6. You find left side value and find the value of left hand side and the right hand side. What is equation? Equation is 5x is equal to minus 30. 5x is 5 into x is equal to minus 30. 5x 5 into x. In between 5 and x multiplication symbol is there. In algebra in 6th class already you learned. In algebra chapter we will remove the multiplication symbol because it is like letter x. So 5x here, 5 into x. First you write in product form is equal to minus 30. Now you substitute 5 into x is equal to minus 6. So in the place of x substitute minus 6 is equal to minus 30. Negative number, so you write within the bracket 5 into, in the place of x substitute minus 6 is equal to minus 30. 5 into minus 6. Here plus 5 into minus 6. Plus into minus, minus. 5 into 6. 5 6 are 30 is equal to, here right hand side 30 minus 30. So left hand side 5 into minus 6 minus 30. Right hand side minus 30. So left hand side value minus 30. Right hand side value also now minus 30. So both side same value. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. Therefore, x is equal to, so what is your answer? Which is root? X is equal to minus 6 is the root. When we substitute minus 6 in the place of x and the variable, in the place of variable we get the value, left hand side value is equal to right hand side. So minus 6 satisfies the given equation. So minus 6 is root of the equation. So our answer is correct, children. Now we will go to next problem, example 4. First you listen, next you can copy it. Example 4. Solve z by 6 is equal to minus 3. Solve z by 6 is equal to minus 3. Now here what is in the left hand side? Z by 6. Fraction form is there in the left hand side. Right hand side minus 3. Right hand side minus 3, children. Right hand side minus 6. Sorry, minus 3. Now we are going to solve the equation. Find the value of z. Which is variable, you know, z is unknown. So z is variable. Now we are going to find the value of z. Yes, z here, the variable z is in the numerator. In the denominator, 6 is here in the left hand side. So now we are going to find the value of z. So you have to remove 6 in the left hand side. 6 is in the denominator. So it is dividing the variable z. 6 is dividing the variable z. It is in denominator. So you have to, how do we remove 6? It is in denominator. So by multiplying by 6 on both sides, we can remove 6 in the left hand side. So multiply both sides. Multiply by 6 on both sides of the equation. So here what is in the left hand side? First you write in the left hand side z by 6. Now multiply by 6 in the left hand side into 6 is equal to minus 3 into right hand side, what is here? Minus 3 into here multiply by 6. Both side you have to multiply. Z by 6 into 6 is equal to right hand side minus 3. Right, minus 3 multiply by 6. Now here 6 is in denominator. Here we are multiplying by 6 here in the left hand side. You can cancel this 6 and in the denominator also you can 6. You can cancel. 1 6 is 6, 1 6 is 6. So after cancelling here, what is here in the left hand side? Only the variable z is here. Z is equal to, now minus 3 into 6. Right hand side minus 3 into 6, minus into plus, here minus 3, here plus 6. Minus into plus, minus 3 6 are 18. So what is your answer? Z is equal to minus 18. Now we have to check whether our answer is correct or not. So how do we check? You have to substitute now. You have to substitute in the given equation. Now verification. When z is equal to minus 18, substitute in the given equation. What is equation? Z by 6 is equal to minus 3. Z is here. What is here? In the place of z, you substitute minus 18. Here the variable z is in numerator. In the place of z, you write substitute minus 18 by denominator 6 is equal to, what is here in the right hand side? Minus 3. Now you cancel. Here 1 6 is 6. In numerator 18, 3 times. 6 3s are 18. Now what is here in numerator? Minus 3 by 1. So what is here? Minus 3 by 1. In numerator minus 3, denominator minus 3, in denominator 1. Minus 3 by 1 is minus 3 children. So minus 3 in the left hand side, right hand side also minus 3. So here left hand side minus 3, right hand side also minus 3 children. So our answer is correct. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. Therefore z is equal to minus 18 is the root. Is the root of the equation. So now I explain. Here 4 problems I explain, children. 4 problems. Now one more problem also I will explain. Now example 5. Example 5. 3x plus 5 is equal to 5x minus 11. Three x plus 5 is equal to 5x minus 11. Here you see this equation, example 5. Here both sides x term is there. Both the side, left hand side and right hand side x term. Which is x term in the right hand side? 3x. In the right hand side also 3x. 5x is there. X term is there. 3x in the left hand side. In the right hand side also x term 5x is there. Now here how do we solve the equation? You have to remove the right hand side x term 5x. You have to remove the right hand side 5x. So how do we remove 5x in the right hand side? Only variable x should be there in the left hand side, children. Both side x terms are there. So first we will remove this right hand side x term. Only one variable should be there in the left hand side. So we have to remove right hand side x term. So how do we remove this 5x? Add minus 5x on both sides. Add minus 5x on minus 5x on both sides. So first you write what is there in the left hand side, children. 3x plus 5 is there in the left hand side. 3x plus 5. Right as it is 3x plus 5. Now add minus 5x. Right within the bracket. Minus 5x is equal to. Now right hand side 5x minus 11. First you write right hand side term minus 5x minus 11 plus minus 5x. Add minus 5x on both sides. Here you see right hand side plus 5x. It is plus 5x. Plus is there in front of 5. No sign but plus. Plus 5x. Here minus 5x you can cancel. Plus 5x minus 5x 0. So you can cancel now. So what is in the left hand side, right hand side children? Only minus 11 is here. Now here in the left hand side plus 3x minus 5x. Here plus 3x minus 5x. So what is here? Plus 3x minus 5x. Minus 5x plus 3x. Which is more? Negative number. So here we are adding positive and negative. Subtract and write. 5 minus 3, 2. So minus 2x. 3x plus minus 5x. What is here? Minus 2x. And constant term is here. Plus 5 is constant term. Plus 5 is constant term, right? 3x plus minus 5x minus 2x. Constant term plus 5 is equal to here in the right hand side 5x minus 5x we cancel because 0. Sum of 5x plus minus 5x is 0. Now only here which is left over? Minus 11, right? Minus 11. Now here left hand side minus 2x plus 5. Now here only variable x should be there. X is here variable, x is here. It is multiplying with minus 2 children. So how do we cancel this? Now we need only the variable x in the left hand side. Remaining all you have to remove. So first you have to remove plus 5. Next you have to remove minus 2. Here first you have to remove plus 5 children. It is constant term. First you have to remove plus 5. First we cannot remove minus 2 because minus 2 is multiplying with variable x. So which is easy to cancel first. Plus 5 is easy to cancel. So how do we cancel this plus 5? By adding minus 5 on both sides. Once again I will repeat. Now we are going to find the value of variable x. So you have to remove plus 5 and minus 2. First which is easy to remove? Plus 5 is easy to remove. It is alone, constant term. Now minus 2 here it is multiplying with x. So you cannot remove first minus 2. First you have to remove plus 5. So how do we remove plus 5? By adding minus 5 on both sides. First you add minus 5 on both sides. Add minus 5 on both sides. So minus 2x plus 5 minus 2x plus 5 plus minus 5 is equal to right hand side minus 11. Right hand side minus 11 plus, now we have to add minus 5 in the right hand side also. Now here you see children, in the left hand side plus 5 minus 5 you can cancel because 0 plus 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. So you can cancel. Now here minus 2x. Minus 2x only which is left over here in the left hand side minus 2x is equal to minus 11 plus minus 5. Minus 11 plus minus 5. Minus 11 plus minus 5 what is answer? Minus 16. Both are negative. You know minus 11 minus 5. How do we add? Both are negative. Sum of two negative integers negative. Minus sign add and write. 11 plus 5 16 minus 16. So minus 2x is equal to minus 16 children. Left hand side minus sign is there. Right hand side also minus sign is there. So next step we will cancel. Both side x term is there. Minus 2x is equal to minus 16 children. Both side x term is my negative sign, minus sign is there. So you can cancel minus sign. Left hand side minus sign and right hand side minus sign you cancel. 2x is there. 2x is 2 into x. Already you know, write in product form. 2x is equal to 2 into x is equal to 16. 2 into x is equal to 16. Now we are going to find the value of x. Now we have to remove 2. 2 is multiplying with x. Now we have to remove 2. How do we remove 2? It is multiplying with variable x. So by dividing by 2 you can remove 2. So both side you have to divide by 2. So again you write divide by 2 on both sides. So 2 into x is equal to 16. Here in denominator you write 2. Both side. 2 into x divided by 2 is equal to 16. Right hand side divided by 2. Now here can cancel. 1 2 is 2. 1 2 is 2. In the right hand side 1 2 is 2. 8 times 8 2s are 16. So what is here left hand side after cancelling? Here 1, here in the denominator also 1. So only variable is here x is equal to 8 by 1 is 8. 8 by 1 is 8. Now we have to check whether our answer x is equal to 8 is correct or not. How do we check? How do we check whether our answer is correct or not? Now you listen you do the verification, children. Listen. The verification. When x is equal to 8, when x is equal to 8, you have to substitute in the equation, children. Now you have to substitute in the equation. Now we'll do the verification. When x is equal to 8, substitute in the equation. Equation you write in the product form, children. Both sides x term is there. So here left hand side 3x plus 5. 3x plus 5 is 3 into x plus 5 is equal to right hand side 5x minus 11. 5x is 5 into x. Write in product form. Now 3 into x. In the place of x you substitute 8. 3 into in the place of x 8 plus 5 is equal to 5 into x. In the place of x right substitute 8 minus 11. 3 8s are 24. 24 plus 5 is equal to 5 8s are 40, children. 40 minus 11. Left hand side 24 plus 5 29. Right hand side 40 minus 11 29. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. Therefore x is equal to, so our answer is correct. So it is root. X is equal to 8 is the root of the equation. So now we will learn the second method without transposing the term. In the last class trial and error method. Now today you learn second method without transposing the term, children. So example problem I explain. Now you have to do exercise 2 first bit problems. You have to complete, children. Now we'll close the class. Thank you. God bless you.